How to claim ENA Airdrop fast. First thing first, head over to any of the web browser and then in the source bar, search for claim.ethena.fi. It will be landing you on this page. In this page, click on Connect Wallet. You can select any of the wallet. Let me select MetaMask for now. Click on Got It over here. And then click on Connect. And then your MetaMask will be connected to Ethena. Once the MetaMask has been connected to Ethena, you're going to see this type of page in front of you. You will have to click on the option of Go to Liquify. Well, you have to claim your ENA token before 2nd May, or your token will be redistributed to the community. So once you click on Go to Liquify, it will redirect you to the next page. And then follow the on-screen process and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can claim ENA Airdrop fast. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.